And among the women dancers, the face-offs that you've done, I can think of with Aishwarya as the most stunning one with
Dola
Dola.
Re, yes. And that song was stunning.
Yeah.
And the choreography was stunning.
Everything, the cinematography.
And of course, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, his, his sets and the costumes and the way he shoots the songs.
How did you dance with that costume? Wasn't it very heavy?
It was very heavy. It was very heavy. Both of us were like, oh my God, But you dance. I mean, Kahe Ched Ched Mohe, that maroon lehenga which I wore for Kahe Ched Ched Mohe.
Yeah.
Like the dressmen, like 2-3 of them used to lift it like this and get it. Literally.
Really?
Yeah, it was very heavy.
No, even that one, Maradala.
That
also was
that
a
costume,
very heavy
yeah.
costume.
All the costumes were very heavy in the movie because the movie was grand. It was big, larger than life. So the costumes had to be that way, and not look false. Like they had to look real.
But when you dance like that, when it was like with Karishma and
Dance of Envy,
yeah,
yes,
that one, and with Aishwarya, is there really a competition, or is it just on screen that we see it?
You just see it on screen. There's no competition. In fact, the Dance of Envy was like a little bit of competition for the film, not in real life. Okay. In real life, we are more bothered about where is my position, how is she going to come. You're so
the technical aspect.
Yeah, the technical aspect, and then you get into the mood and you're dancing, and so it's collaboration, like you said. It was a collaboration. It was not a competition, but it was a Dance of Envy in the movie. But it's supposed to be a competition in the movie where
it must be
she's
pressure,
jealous,
no?
And she is. Not really. We had fun because it was Shamak Dawar and his dancers, and he was doing Dil To Pagal Hai was the first time he actually choreographed.
Did you enjoy that film?
Oh yes, it was so.
As much as we enjoyed watching you guys.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Every day.
Yeah?
It was so much fun being on that set. Yeah. First of all, Yashji, he is an amazing. I still say is, but he was an amazing person and a director. Okay. So he believed in just spontaneity. So he never used to do one shot more than 4 or 5 times. He used to be happy. Natural lag raha hai. That's what he used to be, he used to go with that. And the energy he used to bring on the sets. Even for his age, he used to be like a youngster, literally, on the set. And of course, there's Shah Rukh and there's Karishma and me, and it was a riot.
And also, I think in all his films, the woman lead actor
always
is like a goddess.
Yeah. But most of his movies, if you see every movie of his, a woman plays a very important role in his movies. Like even in Dil To Pagal, I just pointed it out to someone. I said, the girl says that, I don't have a boyfriend, I don't have a Valentine, but so what? I'll just celebrate Valentine for myself and with myself, like that. So I think he was very forward thinking for his, and women, the way he portrayed them, graceful, elegant, enigmatic, So he used to do that.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.